Step 1 is to go to this website right here. Step 2 is to head to this website, which is how you will get paid. Step 3 is to sign up for a free account. And step 4 is to head over to this website to get a ton of free traffic so you can earn this. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video where I'm going to show you how you can earn $4 in under 30 seconds simply by clicking a button. This money-making strategy is super easy and it's available for anyone worldwide. You won't even have to have any related knowledge, experience, or skills when doing this. The only things you will need are your device and an internet connection, as well as the instructions I'll provide in this video. I'll be breaking everything down for you step by step to make this as easy for you as possible. I've already done all of the research and hard work for you. I want you to see results, so all you need to do is just watch this entire video to the end so you can then earn money as a result. So let's get started. First, I'd like you to head over to google.com and search twitch.tv. I want you to then click the first link that shows up right here. After clicking that link, you'll be redirected to this website here. If we scroll down a bit, you can see a wide variety of different videos you can watch for free. Most of the videos on this website are gaming videos, and we are going to use these types of videos so we can make some money. So I want you to click on this button up here that says Browse. That will redirect you to this page where you can then browse through all these different categories of videos that you can watch yourself. However, there is one category in particular that I want you to focus on. It's the Fortnite category. Fortnite is one of the most popular gaming videos and categories right now and has been for a while. So just click on the Fortnite category. You can see that it currently has this many followers, which is insane. It's extremely popular. So as you scroll down, you can browse through a bunch of Fortnite related videos you can watch and earn money from. Okay, so now let's move on to step 2. I want you to head over to this website called oke.io. This is the site we will use that will enable us to watch these simple videos and earn a bunch of money. And there's no need to worry here because this is very simple. I'll break down exactly what you need to do in this tutorial. So if we scroll down a bit, you can see how it works. You just need to create an account, shorten your link, and earn money. So let's say I copy this video URL link. I would then go back to this website and paste the Twitch URL link here and click this button to shorten the URL. This is the link you will then be given. So whenever someone clicks this link, you will get paid per click repeatedly. And depending on where the person who clicks on your link is from, you will get paid a certain amount of money. So you will make a particular amount of money based on which country they are coming from. For example, people from Australia can earn you $5 whenever they click on your link. And then people from the United States can earn you $4.10. This is how people from all around the world can make money online using this method. You can even make hundreds of dollars, sometimes just by posting a shortened video link through this website. If you look here, there are currently over 600,000 registered users on this website who are making money on a daily basis. There are also several different payment options you can choose from, like PayPal, Payza, Skrill, WebMoney, Bitcoin, and bank transfer. So let's move on to step number 3, and I'm going to show you how you sign up and create a free account. All you need to do is click right here where it says sign up. Then you'll just need to fill out some standard personal information like a username, email, password confirmation. Check this box here to confirm you're not a robot, and then finally click submit. There is no investment required here. After completing that, you can log into your account where it will look something like this. If you look here on the main dashboard or the statistics page, you can see how many people have clicked on your link and how much money you've earned. Since I just created this account and I haven't shortened any links yet, I haven't earned any money. So now I'm going to show you some real examples of how you can do this. So the first thing I want you to do is go back to twitch.tv and take a look at the Fortnite category and select 3 different videos. So I'll click on these 3 videos and open them up in different tabs. So go to the first video, then click this share button here, and then click this button that says copy URL, then return back to oke.io. Next, you'll paste the twitch.tv video URL in this box here and click shorten. This website will automatically shorten this link into a much shorter link. So just copy this right now. Then next, I want to give you this done for you script that I created for you. Just pause this video and type this out for yourself really quick. You can copy this and use it immediately to begin earning money. Here I provide a small introduction that explains the game. Then at the bottom I say, for more Fortnite videos, click the link below to watch now. This is then where you will paste your 3 shortened links from the 3 twitch.tv Fortnite videos you selected. So whenever someone clicks this link, you will get paid. And depending on which country they come from, you will receive a different amount of money from each click. So if someone from Germany clicks on your link, you will get $4. So let's repeat the same process for video 2 and 3. Just copy the URL, paste it in this box, click shorten, then copy your new shortened link and paste it here for video 2. Do the same thing again for video 3. So just copy this full script, and by using it, you'll be able to earn money immediately. Now let's move on to the next step, where I will show you how you can get a ton of free traffic. But before I show you this free traffic method, consider subscribing to this channel if you've gotten value from this video and would like to learn about more ways to make money online. I want you to head over to this website called forums.pcgamer.com. It's a super popular and well-known community where hundreds of thousands of people will discuss different gaming topics, including Fortnite videos. I love this site because it's free and available to anyone, anywhere in the world. There's a bunch of active discussion with people talking about gaming on a daily basis. Under the PC gaming discussion and under general gaming here, there are tons of posts and comments people have made. So if I were to search Fortnite up here, you can see all these people writing many different Fortnite related posts and are getting tons of views and comments. So this forum is where you will want to copy and paste your script with your 3 shortened video links, then share for people to click on so you can earn money. That's how a lot of people on here make money whenever they share their posts. Now that brings us to the end of today's video. If you'd like to watch another video on how to make money online, click this video right here.